Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just check Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. We've got this smart fan. It's really cool. And we've got this appliance you can use for charging your mobile phone. It has got a drawer you can use for saving money. We've got this hanger you can use for your clothes, and we've got this box for storing cereals. We've got this juicer. It's really cool. We've got this cooker you can use for cooking rice. We've got these cutting boards, and we've got this tool you can use for vegetables and fruits. It's really amazing. We've got this one you can use for food, and we've got this frying pan you can use for um, grilling meat. Let's see what's in this fridge. We've got this frying pan you can use for making omelette, and we've got these plastic gloves you can use for cooking. We've got this cooker you can use for cooking chicken. We've got this one. It's pretty. We've got this smart TV, and we've got this mop you can use for mopping the floor. We've got this machine you can use for heating water. We've got this cleaner you can use for your mattress covers. We've got this iron, and we've got this small washing machine. It's really cool. Makes laundry easier. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this box you can use for pipes, and we've got this brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got this mini mop you can use for cleaning mirrors and windows. We've got another beautiful apartment. It's really cool. We've got this hanger you can use for hanging your clothes, and we've got this small washing machine again. We've got this basket you can use for vegetables and fruits, and we've got this tool. Let's see what's in this fridge. We've got this frying pan, and we've got this box you can use for cutting boards, and we've got this one you can use for cutlery. We've got this juicer. It's really helpful. We've got these kitchen tools. We've got this ladle. It's really, she's eating her food. We've got this plastic foil, and we've got this tool you can use in the fridge. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. And we've got this mop you can use for cleaning mirrors and windows. It's really helpful. We've got this hack, and we've got this printer you can use at home. It's really helpful. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this box you can use for your stuff, and we've got this cleaner you can use for cleaning mattress covers. We've got this one you can use for charging your mobile phone. It's really cool. We've got another beautiful apartment. He's drunk. Let's see the products and hacks we've got in this apartment. She's trying to help him. We've got this hanger again, and we've got these chairs. They're really cool. We've got these plastic gloves you can use for washing the dishes. We've got this dishwasher, and we've got this tool you can use for food. It's really cool. We've got this hanger you can use for different items. We've got this rack you can use for these items, and we've got this hanger again. It's really cool. We've got this one you can use for toothbrushes. We've got this hair dryer. We've got this shelf or a closet you can use for organizing your shoes. It's really amazing. We've got another apartment. We've got this sanitizer, and we've got this cleaner you can use for jewelry. We've got this hanger again, and we've got this beautiful lamp you can use also for charging your mobile phone. It's really cool. We've got this cutting board and this cutter. We've got this ice cube mold. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this rack you can use for toothbrushes, and we've got these wipes you can use for your face. We've got this one you can use for drying up your clothes. We've got this iron. It's really amazing. Let's see what's in this room. We've got this shelf you can use in the bathroom, where in the kitchen you can use it for different items. We've got another apartment. We've got this small shelf you can use for your shoes, and we've got this coffee table. It's really cool. We've got this small trash bin, and we've got this basket. It's really cool. They're playing something, a game. We've got this shelf you can use for vegetables and fruits, and we've got this box you can use for wipes and other small items. We've got this 4K smart TV, and we've got these mats. We've got this one you can use for umbrellas. We've got another cleaner. It's really cool. We've got this one you can use for mattress covers. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.